we'll tell you what it was. Well, I'll tell you what it was, and we'll tell you what it was. I ain't afraid of dying. It's the thought of being dead. I want to go on being me once my eulogy's been read. Don't spread my ashes out to sea. Don't lay me down to rest. You can put my mind at ease if you fill my last request. And prop me up beside the jukebox if I die. For I don't go to heaven, but I wanna go tonight. Fill my boots up with sand, put a stiff drink in my hand, prop me up beside the jukebox if I die. Well, let my headstone be a neon sign. Let it shine in memory of all my good times. You can fix me up with a mannequin. Just remember, I like blondes. I'll be the light